Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make multiple rows bigger in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select some rows, click and drag on our mouse. Now we want to make the multiple rows bigger. Go to the home menu, select the format drop down menu. We can see here the cell size. Now I am increase the size of row, select this row height option. Then we can see here a dialog box to the row height. Now I am make the row height 30, then press OK. We can see we change the row height in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.